we can spell, we can curse. Queens, goddesses, you've got superhuman power. And I want you to be aware of that power, because with great power comes great responsibility. Do you know who said that? Okay, my name is Edyta Lesiewicz, and I am a mentor. I'm a relationship coach. I coach over 300 ladies and many people. I'm watched over daily by hundreds of people, and this channel has got over 2,000 subscribers. We're aiming over 10,000 subscribers, over a million subscribers, because the message I'm sending is a very powerful message. And I want to say to all of you ladies, I have no idea yet how powerful you are. You have no idea. And you have no idea, then you have no idea, then you have no idea. I see this over and over and over again, how women diminish and allow others diminish their own power, feminine energy, the source of everything there is. We allow men to manipulate our mind by not allowing us being a speaker, be a powerful ladies. Remember, witches were burned alive. By not publishing our books, by not allowing us to be presidents or politicians. Why is that? Why they do this? Did you ever ask yourself? Some men out there would say, yeah, because you're not intelligent enough. What a big BS. What a big BS. What a big BS. There's so many powerful women out there who prove that. It's a living proof. We've got the power. We've got the power. And recently I watched a video by a coach, and he says he done over and over research. We've got more brain cells than men. But that's why we can multitask. That's just one of the skills. There's plenty of more. And you know it. The women politician, I've just been doing research of Singapore politician. She stopped being a politician. She was a president. Eastern world didn't want to know us about that. Very powerful lady. My man told me about her, and I just did a research today. Yeah, she stepped down as a president. I don't know how many years. I can double check. She was a president. It was 14 September 2023, and she was great accomplishment. She accomplished so much for the country. Why nobody talks about her? She kicked out a lot of corrupted politicians. No question asked. Out from the government. Your integrity is out, you are out. Can you see that anywhere else where a man is a politician or a president? I didn't. Well, maybe some countries, I don't know. I didn't much. So saying that, I'm gonna now today tell you a little bit more about spells, cursing, and how powerful we are. I'm gonna give you a few examples from my life, and I want you to hear something for yourself, because this is a great message. This is something for you. This is gold. I want you to start understand that your word, it's your world. You speak up and it happens. You can curse person to be successful, and you can curse person to be failure. That's how you're making your man successful, and that's how you're making him bankrupt. And I speak up about that many times in many recordings. I don't think you still understand how powerful you are. I've seen it. Men not doing justice when they were divorcing, an ex made him bankrupt. I've seen men being in a happy relationship and he became billionaire. Grant Cardone is one of examples. She said, you should become a billionaire. And he did. A bit resistance at the beginning, and then he became. I've seen women making those men sick. Look how many women staying alive longer than a man in a relationship. Why? Because they said so, because they created so. And I don't want to give that terrible examples in my life, because some family members may be upset. I may get upset. But just with the space, what you say is just becoming reality. If you want that man to be sick, in your thoughts, you make this happen. If your children are geniuses, that is your power. I remember I was the time in my life when I was like, you are a genius, you are a genius, you are a genius to my daughters. Guess what? They're geniuses. I was this time, and I love this story, and I'm gonna say again, I was sitting on the bench watching my daughters ice skating. Just to give you a little bit background, we've been there, I know, 6-7 times altogether. And before I make decision that I'm gonna make them good in skating, there was the time when I was avoiding to go skating. I didn't skate for a long time. And I was sitting making myself wrong, that instead of teaching them, I'm just having a coffee. And I see them, especially my old one, complaining that she can't skate as fast as her sister. And I was over and over repeating. And that day, I make a difference because I listened to my mom. I asked my mom, what did you do that we were so good at school? You never taught us anything in our past. What did you do? And she said, I always believe in you. I'd say I would use word trust you. I think there was like big trust that we are so good and we are good. We were always the best in maths and many other subjects. So then I listened to her and I'm like sitting, and how do I make my older daughter be behind of the younger one? And I'm like, yeah. I comparing her to my brother. Like my brother was younger, was always like skating and doing everything faster than me. And I was the older one supporting him and staying behind. And I was doing the same to my 2 daughters. The younger one was faster in learning and the older one was supporting younger one and staying behind. And I said to myself, no way I'm doing this. She's great. My Alexandra, my older daughter, is amazing. And at that moment, she starts speeding up. And she was every new round coming to me and saying, Mom, have you seen? I'm getting better. I'm getting better. And every single round, she was better and better and better. And I should actually bring that microphone closer. So, how you can get better? Trust your mind, trust your power, create your environment better than ever. This is so important. Your mind is extremely powerful. Start creating yourself as a powerful woman, as a queen, your queendom. Are you ready for that? Maybe you don't know how to start. Ask yourself how to start. If not, ask me. You can come and start and we can have a chat. See you around.